Okay, as always, to be doing this with you guys. All right. All right. All right. So I think we are right here to know what exactly the market is going to be doing. And of course, where next the market is heading. It's headed. So I think it's a very humble, welcome to see all of us right here all together. I'm gonna be trying to also greet everyone. GM, if you're in the live room, say some GMs. Let's have everyone say some GMs. And I think it's quite interesting to state. So I think we just cannot but state this, right? That those who've been aware, those who've been following what we've been doing here would have been aware that we made mention of the fact that there could be some level of incoming pumps, and that wouldn't mean the market is in any way bullish, right? And we actually saw that yesterday. The market actually did a very crazy rally. Left for me personally, I wasn't expecting the market to rise that much. All right, and there are a lot of questions. Could we just be in the middle of a retracement or a fall, right? I mean, honestly speaking. All right, so I think these and many more are the come on, David. These and many more are the questions on the minds of everyone who cares, in my own opinion, to understand how exactly to tackle the current and the questions of uncertainties that seem to be battling everyone's mind with the recent crypto price actions. I think it's no news, right? In my opinion, it's no news that we're seeing the market gradually graduating from such state of uncertainty and all of that. I think it's right, it's important for us to just have it that way. So I'm gonna be quoting a post I made yesterday, and I'm gonna be writing, we made this post about a potential rally on the hashtag Bitcoin market, and we saw some grains. I think it is about time we go red. What do you think? I think everyone should come know what I think in my live room. So that's how I'm gonna put it. What do you think? Come find out here. Hurry up. So that's it. And I hope everyone can how do we call this right now? Yeah, I hope everyone can come to join this. And of course, there's posts. And I think we are really in the middle of a very uncertain market. Many questions in my mind, and I hope those of you who've been following, we're gonna be doing some giveaways right now. Those of you who've been following would be so aware. I made a lot of talks and of course comments about the fact that we are currently in a very crazy market where we had these tensions and all of that. And I think, in my opinion, that is one hell of a uncertain market, right, that we are in, because I think it's pretty unusual, right, that we kind of see the market in the middle of a global war, right? Unusual in the sense that we have a lot of perspectives and a lot of thinking, a lot of opinion, a lot of what do you call these folks right now? Institutions, right, will tend to come into the market right now, and it's making it look like a tussle of power. Many things, right? Like, for example, I know I made this analysis. I want to break out if we're going to be going bullish, and there are two things. We would actually have a little bit of a correction, right, even if we're going to be continuing, and if we are going to be bearish, you all know it's going to be going downwards, because the market is currently on the discount zone of the P&D array. I think it's what it is, and it's not anything unusual, right? I'm gonna be going to the live room right now. Hey, so yeah, I mean, I'm seeing a lot of comments and greetings, and I think it's beautiful. So I think we should do some crypto giveaway. First off, y'all know how it worked. You will be provided with the answer in the comment section. If you're on YouTube, I think you should join our crypto platforms. That's where I share the giveaways, and I really look forward to having you there, because I mean, what's the point of not participate in the giveaway? So, and of course, if you're on YouTube, just try to smash the subscribe button, and of course turn on your notification bell so you could always be notified anytime we drop a next video. So on this particular giveaway, I'm going to be asking a very simple question. I'm going to be pulling 50,000 BTC. The name of the token is BTC, BitTorrent. And I'm going to be asking that simple question. What is the name of the coin I'm giving away? So this is the coin. I'm going to be writing this up here. So a lot of thinkings, a lot of thoughts, a lot of, I don't know what you might be thinking, but of course, a lot of concerns around what exactly is going to be happening with the market. And I think for me, I have taken my own stance, and my stance is very clear. In my own opinion, this is Friday. This is gonna be like I don't know what we're gonna be calling this, the closure of the market, and I think a lot of things would actually inform my decision of taking a very bearish posture. I'm very honest. So I do not know what you all might be thinking of, but I'm of the opinion that we might just be you know, in this is the name of the coin, right? BitTorrent. I think let me first provide the answer by going with the pool. So the answer is BitTorrent. In the room, the answer is BitTorrent. You see how I have written it? That's how it should be sent. Sorry, that's a mistake. The answer is BitTorrent. I hope I spelled it well. Yes, that's the correct spelling. BitTorrent, just like that, double T, and then you have it that way. We're gonna be doing the quiz right now. 50,000 PTTs are gonna be given within this pool. All right, so guys, and just gonna be like for 50 persons that are gonna be so fast. No, let's make it 30 or 40. So what is the coin that is being dropped, right? All right, so let me know what your take is. Then the answer is, I've told you all, BitTorrent, so you don't have to miss this. Let's make it for 35 persons. It's gonna be like for people 60 seconds. You need to be very fast. Of course, people that have been here know how it worked. We're gonna be sharing 50,000 BTCs literally throughout this whole stream, and it's gonna be like for some couple of times till we come to the point of sharing almost 1 million BTCs token. So I want you all to be as fast as possible, and of course, do not waste your time. Now, this is Bitcoin, and I think a lot of uncertainties, right, seem to be the whole idea of this whole market. First off, I want to be so sure everyone is hearing me. Let me see what's going on in this live room. Oh, David, come on. Let's see. All right. Okay. I mean, y'all should know the answer. It's BitTorrent. So, well, for me, I have always taken my stance with the fact that I think the market's projection is always a, a revelation of the real uncertainty, which I think the market is really unveiling, right, in all reality. And I know sometimes you might begin to wonder, right, with yourself and say, okay, wait, what exactly should we be expecting with all of this market uncertainties? Should we look forward to some level of bullishness? Well, I would say it's all dependent, right? And I'm saying this with every sense of humility because you see, the market must be the one giving you a very clear lead as to what exactly you want to keep doing, right? Because if the market does not give you a lead, what's the point of running? I don't know if you get that, right? There must be a lead that the market is giving, right? And that lead is as primary and fundamental as every other thing you might be thinking of, right? I know guys are gonna be telling you, hey, don't think the market is buying. I think we're still very much bullish, blah 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 blah, right? But I think there is so much, right, to unearth and learn as we see the market, unfolding. So guys, in all reality, in all simpleness, right, don't forget, what do you think is playing on in the market? Is it a tussle of where are we headed, or a tussle of where is the bull market taking us to, right? These are my questions for you right now, because I mean, if you do not know where exactly the market is headed right now, I think we might just as well be making a lot of mistakes. So I think for me, I'm going to be taking a sell. I just opened a new sell position on a particular account. Interesting. So just I just hope that's very smart of me, but I think so, because I think we're gonna be having the monthly close for this week, and I just opened one trade, and that's gonna be like the only trade, just for me to confirm what exactly the market is doing. And so this is it, and I'm gonna be using this very simple analysis. So convey my disposition. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe. Please try to follow. On HTX, there's been like this discontinuation of giving away, airdrop. So, want to apologize for viewers from that platform. Please don't be offended. It's none of our fault and all of that. So you just want to be patient, and of course, yeah, be aware we're concerned. So I think that's it. So now, what do you think we are headed anyways? I think I'm gonna be looking at the markets from this perspective. Let me take off this old drawing so I don't put up some shenanigans that I've known it all. This is it. The market broke this low and came here. I'm gonna be making you see how much the market broke the low by sort of copying and pasting this sorry. Okay, yeah. So you see the low the market got to now, and from here, I don't know if you're aware, the markets, we're gonna be doing another giveaway right now. But those who are not, I don't know if I'm gonna be saying those who are just not waiting with us on the stream, we're just going up and down. Now we're gonna be doing this giveaway. Please stay true, stay true, stay true, stay true, stay true, stay true. Sorry, I got this call, and I'm gonna be probably yeah, attending to that later on. Now this is it, guys. I, for one, looks at the market from this top, right? Because I mean, if you're aware, the market makes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low in a bullish market, but it makes lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high in a bearish market. And I think whenever we look at the market, we need to be so factual, right, with the current data. So what is the current data we are having? The market hasn't taken this previous high. This was the top the market got to, right, on the 6th of June 2024, right? We just beginning to test the waters in the second quarter of this year, and the market got there. Our hopes and expectations were all high. We all had this anticipation, this enthusiasm that the market is going to be going to that top. But guess what, guys? When the market got here, it didn't break above this point. This was my expectation. It's painfully, I'm going to be using the word painfully because I'm beginning to tell myself the truth and face the reality of the charts, and yeah, take myself off the old charade of deceptions, which sometimes the market makes you want to wear, especially when you're so drunk in opium. I don't know if that's the better word, but I think it is, when you are so expectant of the market's play out. And I tell you, sometimes you just see the market acting out funnily, and then you get to answer the question, wait a minute, my instinct told me this market is going to be going here because of the data I've gathered on technical analysis, and I just didn't barge, I didn't respond. I tell you, eventually you will get to tell yourself, oh, I regret not doing that. All right, so this is it. I want to pick a triangle and show you all guys something. So I think it's shape here. I would find not triangle, I mean path. Okay, arrow. Look at this. The market begins to move like that. Does this trajectory suggest anything called bullish to you? Currently, no. And this is on a mid time frame. I'm saying mid time frame with the perspective of like a 4-hourly time frame and a daily time frame, because now when we're going to look at higher time frames, HTFs, like I would say like a weekly time frame and a monthly time frame, we might have a different perspective. I'm telling you. Now this is it. This is it. This is it. This is the trajectory the market began to take, and of course, we can actually agree with me, all right, that this trajectory does not look promising, right, until we have a potential shift of market structure. No doubt, right, that this is a sell side liquidity. Now, sell side liquidity means the market broke a potential low, all right, and sold to the liquidity resting below that previous low. This is a low. This is a low point, all right, a market low. The market broke below this market low and came to grab liquidities resting below here, and it pushed up. It's it's dreamy to see the market rising like 25% following this pump. I mean, those were bold enough to to open a long position like 10x from here and just wait like 2 days. I mean, 10x, they've actually made a couple of 200% profit on their perpetual trading account. Now, thinking of that, you begin to ask yourself many questions, and I think it is about time for us to ask ourselves, now what's the market doing? When you begin to draw the P&D array like I drew right now, it gives the measurement, the 50% measurement, and of course the 61.8 Fibonacci measurement of the potential point of sell or buy the market takes. And I just inverted this P&D array, and guess what? It gives me a clue the market was selling from this point. I knew it was going to sell from here, but guess what? I didn't take that sell. Now, drawing this P&D array from here, which is the next one, you see the market has every reason to sell from here or maximum of here. That's 60,000, 64,000 at the max. But that does not still imply that the market is bullish even if it gets there. I'm trying to make you all realize something very critical, that the market's movement and its price actions and its appearance, right, has nothing to do with your emotions. And it's about time for everyone of us to face that reality. When we are beginning to look at the market, we must desist. Oh my god, what's happening with the streaming? Can you all hear me? Sorry, let me look at this. We must desist from the make-believe or the belief that the market has some empathy, all right, about how you think or how you feel or whatever. No, the market doesn't. I mean, it just doesn't care. And the market will only purely follow technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Like, I mean, it will only follow real data. It has nothing to do with your prayers, right? And I'm being honest. So now the truth is this. Now you're going to be asking yourself, wait a minute, we're going to be doing giveaways. I had my phone off my hands for almost 3 minutes. I'm going to be trying to run some level of giveaways. And those of you who have been waiting, I want to say thank you. And of course, kudos to you. Do not in any way rush out of the stream. Oh my God, I don't know what's been happening to our... Okay, I think it's interesting. Let me see what people have been dropping. Please drop your comment. So, what do you think I've been trying to say? Are we bullish or are we bearish? I'm going to be asking that question with a 50,000, of course, BTC giveaway. What do you think? Let me first drop the answer in the live room. Or let me drop it later on. What do you think? Bullish or bearish? I'm going to be giving you the answer also in the the answer is simply bearish with no with no, what do I call this, with no capital letter, all small letters. So I've just dropped that. I know sometimes a part of me is still feeling the market might want to rise from here upwards. I know, right? Because if we're going bearish, we should see a level of more sell. But I'm telling you that whichever time the market gets to sell, there is still some level of expectations of sell. Only if, and I'm going to be showing you potential signs and of course indicator that we might not be selling. All right, and I'm going to be showing it to you right now, guys. So that is very simple. When and only if we see the market going above 70k. If the market goes above 70k, then we can say, okay, fine, we've had a market shift of structure, which is going to be retracing, and then we're going to be continuing, something like that. Other than that, right, I think I'm going to be giving you a clue. The answer is bearish. I told you all to listen, and you've got 40 seconds more to go if you're very fast. So yeah, the answer is the market is actually very bearish. You wouldn't see that. Now it's all small letter bearish. Whatever you have to write it, just write it. It's bearish. You have 20 seconds more to go, and I think only 5 persons have gotten it right. After saying this answer live on stream, people still don't get it. So well, I'm bearish and I have my reasons for that. I've been trying to make you all see that, and I hope everyone gets to understand that the market is bearish. It's only a matter of time. Now this is a open call to let you all know something, right? When you look at the market, you don't want to mince word. The truth is this: over time there are some structural, or let me use the word psychological levels which we were not expecting, and let me use the word I am not expecting the market to break above. Oh right, I think some dude got a better, very big chair. Nice. It's interesting. Okay, all right. Okay, now the thing is this: I looked at the market, and come and look at this on a weekly time frame. Look at this. Look at this. Well, look at this on the weekly time frame. What do you get to see? A flattening out? The market selling? What's your expectation of this market play out? And of course, you begin to see some levels of variety. Sorry, man, you got nothing. Sorry. I mean, I try reading the comment once in a while, and I'm seeing this dude bearing mean, saying she or he got nothing. So I think we'll try and run another giveaway. You just must be here with us. We're gonna be doing like a lot of giveaways today, because it's Friday, most probably the last day of streaming in this week. Who knows? Yeah, I think it is. So I guess okay. I mean, I'm seeing people complaining my network sucks. It's not only you, buddy. Everyone currently in this market that looks so, I don't know if I'm going to be saying funky. Everyone has that expectation or experience when the market looks unusual. Sorry, Lubna, you got 313 BTCs. Not the algorithm. So, anyways, you don't need to fire algorithm also. I'm going to be opening a short position right in this time on this paper account, so you can see what I'm trying to say on this post. I've opened a short position on BTC. I told you all, guys. So it's not a financial advice. Thank you, Fanikan. You got some high numbers. Thank you. Look at this. This is a long position on FTT. I'm going to be closing this right now. I said that previously. Guess what? It peaked, and of course, it peaked so well. Imagine if I actually opened this trade. I'm going to be showing you what this trade looked like. Let me show it to you. This is a trade, and that was the analysis. Look at that. But of course, again, I know this market is not ripe for a long, so I'm closing this in full profits, a trade that we actually opened. Those of you who've been following analysis, we know that we're going to be taking a short position right now, but it's live, and the reasons are very simple. Our analysis have been well spelled, and I'm going to be making it more obvious again. I'm going to be opening 5 shorts on BTC right now. It's Friday, the weekly wrap. We're going to be taking profit. Okay, interesting. Market's going to be closing today on the forex market. That aside, the market just seemed to have broken out of a 4-hourly bearish market. Let me show it to you. This is what I'm saying. Like this. The market seemed to have broken out here, and it's proper, right, for the market to quote unquote sorry, it's proper for the market to sort of do something like this. Let me show it to you guys. Like this. Retrace into 56k. So 56k is so expected, right? It's so expected, and that's probably what we're gonna be asking. Hello, NASA. Thank you. I'm greeting you also. So I'm seeing a lot of my friends and buddies, and seeing them on our streaming platform is actually one of the most interesting and of course exciting part of this job. I think I always love doing this, calling out people, name and greeting them. So I think we need to do another round of giveaways. What chart am I on? This is BTC USD, and of course, what trade am I on? I'm going to be asking. This is BTC, and that's the trade I am on. Everyone who is smart will actually get it. So, I mean, you can actually participate if you're so fast and smart. The answer is BTC, and of course, people who've been following since yesterday will know that whenever we give an answer like that, we actually come up with a quiz. Guys, what do you think is happening with Bitcoin? I think I'm only going to be opening more positions on my Bitcoin short. It's quite risky, I know, but of course, I am of the opinion that it's worth it if we actually think of that. I'm going to be adding little of this of shorts. I'm going to be adding one more. But one more BTC contract. So, yeah. You must be smart. The answer is BTC. So let's do 70,000, and people can answer. So, guys, that's my position right now, and I think you all can actually see my position is not not smiling, like it's on minus 500 on a paper account. I don't trade that much, right? So yeah, I think you all need to be so discreet. So I think 45 persons can actually participate in this giveaway right now. It's going to be going live, and I'm going to be adding more to my contract. So let me see how people are going on this. If I see everyone getting like the old airdrop, I'm going to be adding 2 more contracts to BTC live now. Anyways, it's a paper account. Don't trade real account like this. All right, so there you go. Anyone who's been listening can actually get the answer right. So Oh, I see you today, mean. Oh, Ali. Oh, a lot of my folks are here, right? Isn't that interesting? And Lubna is there also. So, guys, this is it. We already have 10 persons getting this right. 13, woof. If the whole 40 persons or 45 persons get it right, I think I'm gonna be doing this live, opening maybe about 5 more short positions. How to explain the fact that I'm so mid-time bearish. Now let me read some market news to our hearings today while we just keep our ears opened and we'll listen to learn what exactly the market is gonna be doing. Yeah. Hey, I see you, mean. Thank you. Oh, 5 seconds more to go. 2, 3, 1, gone. I think we only have like 20%, so they're about 18. Interesting. We do not have so much of persons, right? This time around. Oh my god. And I think King got the most, right? Literally for 3,000. So, right. Yummy. Thank you. Great. Thank you, Praxi. Thanks, Praxi. So now, guys, let me know what you all are thinking. Let's read some market news that we're hearing. Now, what do you get to see here? HK virtual banks eye Web3 growth despite regulatory orders. Look at Bitcoin. I don't think we had so much people joining this particular giveaway, and so I'm not going to be adding to my position. I'm just going to be leaving that, of course, with a tight stop loss. Well, my stop loss should actually be above there, but I don't know if I can risk 4K. But of course, I think I can risk 4K for 15K. So let's have it that way. Because this is the thing that the market is going to most likely do. Let me take this off and make some top-down analysis so you can see what I'm saying. Hey, thanks, Loop Down. Can we get more likes and, of course, emojis rolling in? I'm going to be super excited if I have that in the live room. We have a lot of giveaways in stock for us. Let me read this news for us. Hong Kong's virtual banks are reportedly at a critical juncture. They currently capture only a small fraction of the financial market and hold 0.3% of the assets of all retail banks. Now, according to the South China Morning Post (SCMP), HK legislator Johnny Ng Kichong, a supporter of cryptocurrency, believes that virtual banks can do more to serve Web3 companies. Now, this is a quote. The government has made efforts to develop virtual banks and upgrade services in the past few years. It is an important time for the city to contribute more to the Web3 sector in the next 2 years. I think it's Hey, thank you, Ali. It's innovative. I also try to look at the comment sections to see what's going on. It's innovative to see that people are beginning to become more enthusiastic in several regions about cryptocurrencies and the blockchain generally. And I for one think, okay, now this is interesting. We might see Bitcoin rising to this point and still selling. It's a call for everyone else to be so cautious of our trades and all of that. Let me look at Solana if I have a lead on maybe a potential sell. Interesting. Right? See that? As long as I can see rise to 150 before selling. Yeah, you see that? Yes, see this? So because what I'm saying is, I don't know if you see what I'm saying, but this is what I'm saying. If I take that POI off or I hide it, which I wish I could. Hide, yeah, let me hide it. Now I'm showing you something. You've got buy sell liquidities taken here. Then you have sell sell liquidities or market structure shift here. Then this is a very nice possibility for us to see the movement of Solana, the possible movement. Let me use the word of Solana from here to here before shorting. And honestly speaking, this is a very strong possibility, right? And that could imply we might have a little bit of buy, right, playing out on the market or in the market. So this is it. Anyone wants to open a short on Solana, actually go for it at that spot. And don't forget, the market's actually very creepy. You might think it's gonna get there, and then the next thing it goes way more down. So I think we are in the middle of a very huge, I don't know if I'm going to be calling it brouhaha, but that's the market for you guys. What do you all think in the live room? Let me know what your takes are. Okay, let's do some lucky giveaways. I'm going to be doing a lucky crypto giveaway and say thank you for waiting if I actually get back to the market. So I'm of the opinion we actually might see Solana rising this much, but it's also possible it does not rise that much. But I think this is like a possibility. Look at the RS indicator. Okay, jokes and all of that. So let's see how this whole thing play around. Just keep your stop loss tight and keep your I'll just have this live stream for so long. It's been 45 minutes and I might just have to call it a close right quick soon. Not my plan because we have power outage. I would have loved to get it going, but I think it's been like past some couple of minutes and I'm trying to see that trying to see to the fact that we have all it takes to keep going, right? So it's just for me to serve you all better, and that's why I'm here in the first place. What's my job? Market is actually as overbought, and sometimes you need to. I think most times, is it a fake bullish divergence? I know that's one concern for a specific reason, which may end up in a massive collapse. Recovery, the bearish prediction remains intact. Well, we cannot tell. I think he has some points there. If Bitcoin is going to 30K, what's going to happen to you? Thanks. I'm gonna make an impact some level of more sales. Maybe. Okay, there you go. All right. So sorry, I basically stopped that. So wait a minute, are we still on the same track? Trying to see that from my end. Wait a minute. Wait, we must. Oh Jesus Christ, guys, what's going on with our stream? And of course we have audience here listening to us. Okay, all right, so I think we're very much cool. So our short position is still going to be valid and intact. I wish I could actually open more because I think the market is going to be selling more, but I think this is a fair one. These are shorts and I hope you guys see that this week's are going to be getting filled and definitely this space is going to be taken up, but I think it's better for me to just put it here. Right, a very fair profit. So look at that. This is a live trade. Those of you who've been joining, you can see that. What I call it liquidity stables, right? Don't hop onto trades. Get the needful, do the needful, right? Be defined, right? Keep the money that will